Howdy, my name's Patrick. I'm starting this vlog on Turo. Do we really need to have another vlog on Turo? Maybe, maybe not. That's going to be your decision. But I'm going to take this from the approach of actually from a side hustle and not being a Turo full-time fleet host. I'm trying to shoehorn Turo hosting into a life with a full-time job, kids, family, things like that, vacations. I am an all-star host, and I've been hosting for about a year and a half now. I have 3 cars. I had 2 cars up until this March, and now I'm moving into probably a 4th car before the end of the year, and I think that's where I'll cut it because I am working on making Turo as close to passive income as you can make it without using someone else hosting your cars. So tightening things up, working with data, limiting problem guests. And I think these are things that I have figured out how to do fairly effectively. I'm also going to cover how to make money off deliveries, maintaining your cars, monitoring your cars, how to work with Turo, tracking profit and loss and time, and although I can't give tax information, I can tell you what I'm doing for taxes for Turo. There are some lucrative ways you can handle depreciation tax-wise. I will cover that in an episode. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to give you a day in the lives of hosts, and you can see how I take care of my cars. I've been a guest, and my cars tend to be a lot cleaner than any of the cars I've been in. So even with fairly small amounts of work based on the products and tools that I use to maintain my cars, I've made this pretty quick. I think I took a 345 request yesterday, and with a fairly dirty car that had been turned in that morning, and turned it around in by 4:15. So in a half an hour, I had it ready for a day trip that earned $75. So you can, interpolate that out to $150 an hour with fairly little work. But this is what this channel is going to be about, and I hope you like it and subscribe if you do. Thanks. Bye.